In this video, we are going to see how to import the data from Wikipedia page to Power BI. So open the Wikipedia link. It is preferable to choose the data source that has tables in the Wikipedia and then go and select get data from web. Paste the URL of the Wikipedia and then just click OK. So that pulls all the content from that page and it displays the tables exactly in the table format like how we would like to see. So here I have 4 tables. So select all the tables that you are interested for and click on transform data. So I'm importing all the data from Wikipedia to my local machine. So this opens the Power Query view and then you can just go ahead and apply your transformations on top of the data. So that's it about importing data from Wikipedia. Thank you.